We are extremely sorry, as we had to suspend programming here on BBC One due to an emergency. Please stay calm and pay your utmost attention to the following message. It is with profound sorrow that we announce to the nation that the Russian Federation has initiated war against the United Kingdom and has issued direct threats to employ nuclear weapons in its assault. In the event that a nuclear strike is carried out, you and your households must ensure you have food and vital supplies stored to last no fewer than 14 days. You must not only gather these essential supplies, but also remember that the most secure location during a nuclear strike is typically underground, or at the lowest level within your home. In the event such a crisis should arise, residents in densely populated regions will be directed toward designated safety bunkers, while the Prime Minister is presently enacting new legislation. All citizens deemed fit for service, regardless of gender, are legally obligated to report to the closest recruitment office for mandatory induction into the military. In the coming weeks, roadways are anticipated to shut down for military operations. Significant interruptions to power and internet services should also be expected as a consequence of the ongoing conflict. We deeply appreciate your attention to this broadcast in these uncertain times and assure you that further updates will be provided in the coming days. Regular programming will continue, though delays and interruptions may occur should urgent news need to be broadcast. At this time, we now pass the broadcast over to CBBC.